From the top of a tower, from the top of a hill, the angle of depressions of two consecutive kilometer stone due to east are found to be 30 degree and 45 degree. Find the height of the hill. Suppose this is your hill, that is AB. This question has come from CBSE in the year 1994. So let us solve it. This is answer will be. So suppose this is your hill AB. From the top of the hill, that is at the point P, when you see a milestone that is at the point P, the angle of depression is equal to 30 degree. This is your 30 degree. And when you see same point another milestone that is Q, the angle of depression is equal to 45. This angle is equal to 45. So this is parallel line to this horizontal line. Therefore this angle is equal to this, because this is a transversal, this parallel this, and this is a transversal. Therefore this angle is equal to this angle. Again this angle line, straight line parallel to this line, and this is a transversal, that is this angle is equal to this, that is 45 degree. So now since two milestones are consecutive, that is P and Q, the difference between P and Q milestone will be 1 kilometer. Let QA is equal to x kilometer. So in triangle right angle BPA, this is right angle triangle, there were tan theta means here 30 degree is equal to perpendicular means height AB by perpendicular base is equal to PA, or tan 30, the value of tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3. AB is equal to height of the hill is equal to h, suppose, and PA is equal to PQ plus QA. PQ is equal to 1 kilometer plus QA is equal to x kilometer. Okay. So 1 plus x is equal to root 3 h, or x is equal to root 3 h plus root 3 x is equal to root 3 h minus 1. This is equation number 1. Now again another right angle triangle, right angle QBA, tan theta means here 45 degree is equal to perpendicular means AB and base means QA, or tan 45 degree is equal to 1 is equal to AB means h and QA means x, or x is equal to h. This is equation 2. So put the value of x in the equation 1, that is x is equal to h, or x in case of place of x put h is equal to root 3 h minus 1, or h minus root 3 h is equal to minus 1, or h common 1 minus root 3 is equal to minus 1, or h is equal to minus 1 by 1 minus root 3 is equal to 1 by root 3 minus 1 is equal to root 3 minus 1 into root 3 plus 1, root 3 plus rationalizing both sides is equal to 3 minus 1, root 3 means 1.732 plus 1 is equal to 2.732 by 2 is equal to 1.3 666 meter. This will be answer. Very important question from CBSE in the year 1994. Next question. Question number 2. A round balloon of radius A subtends theta at the eye of the observer, while the angle of elevations of its center is phi. Prove that the height of the center of the balloon is A sin phi cosec theta by 2. This question has come from CBSE in the year 1996. So this is very important question. So suppose this is your round balloon, means here this will be circle. So one tangent at the point is equal to OP, another tangent at the A is equal to OR, which touches the balloon. So angle between the two is equal to theta. This is a theta. A round balloon of radius A, this is the radius is equal to A, subtends an angle theta at the eye of the observer. So here is the eye of the observer, this is angle theta, this angle is equal to theta. Okay, this angle is equal to theta. So while the angle of elevation of its center is phi, this is angle of elevation, COH is equal to phi, this is phi. Okay, so let us solve the problem. Answer. So in right angle COD, in right angle COD, we know that sine, here theta means phi, is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse. Here perpendicular is equal to CD and hypotenuse is equal to CO. Okay, CD means height of the center point from balloon from the horizontal line, that is suppose H, this is H, that is H is equal to CO sin phi. This is equation 1. From next, in right angle COA, this is a right angle at the point A, because tangent and this is radius, this will be right angle. So if we take sine theta, means here theta is equal to theta by 2, because this whole angle is equal to theta, this whole angle is equal to theta, and this is theta by 2. Okay, this is central line, this is one tangent, this is another tangent. If this is a total angle is equal to theta, then this will be theta by 2, this will be theta by 2. Okay, sine theta by 2 is equal to what? Perpendicular by hypotenuse, perpendicular is equal to CA by hypotenuse is equal to CO, or CA is equal to radius A by CO, or CO is equal to what? CO is equal to A by sine theta by 2. This is your, or is equal to A sine is equal to cosec theta by 2. This is equation 2. Put the value of CO in equation 1. Therefore H is equal to CO means CO sin phi is equal to CO means A CO cosec theta by 2 into sin phi. This is your answer, that is height of the balloon central point is equal to the height of the center of the balloon is A sin phi cosec phi by 2 root. Very important question. Okay, next sum. Question number 3. A vertical tower stands on a horizontal plane and is surmounted by a vertical flagstaff of height h. At a point on the plane, the angle of elevations of the bottoms of the flagstaff is alpha, and that the top of the flagstaff is beta. Prove that the height of the tower is h tan alpha by tan beta minus tan alpha. This question has come from CBSE in the year 1993. So very important question, you have to solve it. So let us draw the picture. So this is your, suppose this is your tower, this is your tower, BD is your tower. You have to find out what is BD, that is height of the tower. Here on the top of the tower there is a flagstaff, height is h, that is AD is equal to h is given, and here is a point, any point C from the bottom, and this horizontal line. When you see the bottom of the flagstaff, the angle of elevation is equal to alpha. When you see the top of the flagstaff, then the angle of elevation is equal to beta. So let in triangle DBC is a right angle triangle. For right angle triangle, DBC is a right angle triangle. For right angle triangle, tan alpha is equal to what? Tan alpha is equal to perpendicular by base. Perpendicular is equal to DB and base is equal to BC. Or BD, base is equal to, or BC is equal to what? BC is equal to DB, BC is equal to DB by tan alpha. This is equation 1. So another right angle triangle is there, ABC. For right angle triangle ABC, tan beta is equal to what? Tan beta is equal to AB by BC. Perpendicular by base, perpendicular base. AB is equal to what? AB is equal to AD plus DB by BC. So is equal to AD means H plus DB, find out DB, or BD by BC. This is your equation. This is your equation. So subtracts from here in question tan beta minus alpha, that is tan beta means equation, this is your 2, suppose equation 2, that is 2 equation 2 minus equation 1, that is tan beta minus tan alpha is equal to what? Tan beta is equal to H plus BD by BC minus tan alpha is equal to DB by BC. So BC is LCM, H plus BD minus BD is equal to H by BC. Here from this equation BC is equal to what? BC is equal to DB by tan alpha. Put the value of BC in this equation, is equal to H by, suppose equation 3, H by BC is equal to BD by tan alpha, that is DB or BD, DB by tan alpha, or DB is equal to, DB is equal to height of the tower is equal to H tan alpha by, this is tan beta minus, DB is equal to H tan alpha by tan beta minus tan alpha, tan beta minus tan alpha. Correct. dB is equal to what? dB is equal to height of the tower. Height of the h tan alpha by tan beta minus tan alpha. This is equal to this, that is this is equal to h tan alpha by this. So very important question.